The WeatherTech BumpStep offers simple protection against minor, low-impact damage to your vehicle in times when another driver is distracted, trying to squeeze into a tight spot, or when you're parking in unfamiliar surroundings. BumpStep also provides a foothold for loading cargo or washing hard-to-reach areas on your vehicle. American-made of a special composite resin, WeatherTech BumpStep installs easily and fits any standard 2-inch receiver hitch. Just insert the BumpStep shaft fully into the receiver, then back it out only enough to allow the ball of the foot to rest centered on the BumpStep with the tip of the shoe just clearing the bumper. Then, secure with a hitch pin. WeatherTech offers a standard hardened steel pin and a stainless steel pin with a special theft deterrent design. Put your empty receiver hitch to use, protecting your bumper and giving you a step up with WeatherTech BumpStep.